In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Etsy to Facebook 2025. Easy tutorial. We'll walk through creating your business account on Facebook, setting up a shop in Commerce Manager, and then syncing your Etsy products through a catalog, either with an integration tool or a manual data feed. Keep your business details and Etsy listing information handy so this goes smoothly. Start by opening a browser and heading to business.facebook.com. Choose create account and enter your business name, your work email, and the basic company details it asks for. Use the same legal information you use on Etsy to help avoid review delays later. When you're done, you'll land in your new business manager, which centralizes your assets like pages, catalogs, and permissions. Next, set up your Facebook shop. In Meta Commerce Manager, click Create a Shop. When you're asked about checkout, select Checkout on another website. This option sends customers to your Etsy listing to complete the purchase, which is perfect if you want to keep inventory and orders in Etsy. Select the Facebook page that represents your brand. If you also sell through Instagram, you can connect that account here as an optional step. It lets you tag products in posts and stories using the same catalog. Now let's connect Etsy using a catalog. There isn't a native Etsy to Facebook button anymore, so you'll sync products in one of two ways. Option A is to use a third-party integration tool. Popular choices include LitCommerce, Shuttle, SedCommerce, and Sellbrite. The general flow is straightforward. Create an account on the integration platform, connect your Etsy shop, connect your Facebook Commerce account, then let the tool sync your products. After the first sync, publish the items to your Facebook shop. Most tools let you map titles, descriptions, prices, and stock levels, so updates on Etsy reflect automatically. Review the product status inside Commerce Manager to confirm everything is live and approved. Option B is to use a Facebook catalog with an Etsy data feed or manual uploads. In Commerce Manager, create a catalog, then add products either by uploading a file, using a scheduled feed URL, or inputting items one by one. Copy your product details from your Etsy listings, including images, variants, and shipping info, and submit for review. This method works well if you have a smaller catalog, but expect more manual upkeep. Before you wrap up, a few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use clear, high-resolution images, keep product titles accurate and consistent with Etsy, and make sure your policies align across platforms. If items show as pending review, allow up to 24-48 hours. Periodically resync to keep inventory and pricing up to date. That's it. Once your catalog is active, your shop will display your Etsy products and route shoppers to Etsy for checkout.